Hey guys, we decided to do a big change in our lives. We're throwing everything up in the air. And we're
going full-time camping!
Yep, that's right. We sold pretty much everything. Sold the house.
Sold my van.
Sold our other car. Yep, and put some stuff in storage. More stuff than we probably really need to store, but we got that and got rid of everything else. We're going to hit the road in 2025 and beyond.
Don't mind us as we are prepping our dinner for the night. So our route is we're going to be staying in Florida for about a month, and then we're going to head west towards the Grand Canyon. We're going to hit up some national parks and some national forests, along with some other sightseeing areas. Anything to add, dear?
Yeah, I think you said what, we're going to probably hit about a dozen or so national parks. We'll try to plan on releasing our videos on Tuesdays. So be sure to, like I said, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified whenever we release a video. First video we put out for 2025 should be mid-January or so. And even though we've technically only been full-time since we sold our house a couple weeks now, we've already had some issues, so we'll talk all about that in our in the first video. Also check out the community section there on YouTube. We're gonna start using that a lot more to communicate with you guys, and you guys can communicate back with us. If there's any type of topics or videos that you want to see related to RV, family life and camping, let us know. You can comment in this video, or you can let us know in the community tab section there on YouTube. Want the beans in there now?
Sure, go ahead.
Want the juice?
No juice.
Right.
So we bought our RV in early 2019. We went to an RV show and came home with a camper. We pretty much knew that it was going to be at the RV show, so we already knew what we were getting into when we walked into the doors. We know some people kind of like, they go in with
Last minute, seems like.
yeah, a last minute idea, and then they kind of do or they don't come out with an RV. We kind of...
Well, we've been looking for an RV for several years at that point as well. Looked at them a lot and did a lot of research. We kind of knew, or at least I knew what I wanted. Definitely one of the things we wanted was a bunk room for our, for the kids. So we ended up buying a brand new. We bought a 2019 Highland Ridge open range 310 BHS. We actually have a tour of that when we got it. It was brand new, so I'll link that above. Then I think the full-time bug, or the idea of going full-time, hit us after our first long trip in May of 2022.
That was when we took like a 2 to 3 week trip, and we went down west or south, and we did a lot of sightseeing and did a lot of cool things with the kids, and they really seemed to enjoy it. And
so that was when we first started thinking that if we could do the full-time RV life all the time, then that'd be really great. So we started working towards that. We had some commitments at home in the community that couldn't get out of until now, just end of 2024. But about a year ago is when we set a date, saying January 9th will be full time, and here we are, just New Year's Eve 2024, and we've accomplished that goal. Well, 2025 is going to have some big adventures for us as we go full time with our RV family. So stay tuned, click that like button, and again subscribe to follow along. Adventure awaits.